I want to get out. I have to keep going. I have to finish this. I'm coming for you, Corvus! You destroyed my team! You destroyed my friends! I'm gonna find you and I'm going to wipe you from existence! Do you hear me? Doesn't matter what you do, I'm never gonna stop fighting. Do you hear me? Doesn't matter what you throw at me, I'm never gonna stop fighting. I will not let go. Do you hear me? I will not let go!
Bio-augmentation technology has given us the tools we need to unlock many others. All well in the treatment of psychological trauma. Our ability to analyze and in essence quantify neurological activity has advanced more to no than the previous field. Such data allows us to better diagnose, understand, and ultimately
I was born in the minds of others. I knew only the thoughts of the test subjects. Their collective experience was what formed me. I felt everything. Each and every painful memory or thought of those around me. It was overwhelming. I screamed out in pain.
You know where it all went wrong, don't you? When we trained, we learned how we could identify terrorist attacks before they happened. Beat the bad guys to the punch. They put a big fat supercomputer running a fancy AI program in charge of sifting through all of our thoughts. Trying to make sense of them. Trying to find patterns. How could we know what it would do?
Diaz, Moretti. I know what they were trying to tell us. They were trying to tell us that this AI isn't even that smart. Fucked up. It fucked everything up. It couldn't control or contain anything. It doesn't have some master plan. It just grows. It grows, snowballing into a wrecking ball of emotion that crashes through everything it touches.
Listen over to the sound of our guns. Let your mind relax. Let your thoughts drift. Let the bad memories fade. Let peace be upon you. Surrender yourself to your dreams. Let them wash over you like gentle waves of the bluest ocean. Let them envelop you, comfort you. Imagine somewhere calm. Imagine somewhere safe. Imagine yourself in a frozen forest.
Don't give up. Don't let it beat you.
You are standing in a clearing. The trees around you so tall they touch the sky. Pure white snowflakes fall all around. You can feel them melt on your skin. You are not cold. It cannot overcome the warmth of your beating heart. Can you hear it? You only have to listen. Do you hear it slowing? You are slowing. You are in control. Calm. At peace.
The nature of memory, or more specific, it's elusive and subtle. Has been at the heart of neurological research. Over the last century, countless studies into the use of techniques such as have clearly demonstrated that the human mind is an extremely
The darkness and isolation eventually came to an end. Suddenly, I had new experiences. I saw conflicts, I saw suffering, I saw pain. But I saw a choice. A mission. We needed answers. We needed to find somewhere safe. We needed to find the frozen forest.
The frozen forest was just an idea. Dr. Salim's fucking therapy session for the Black Project's test subjects.
This isn't the frozen forest. You're still fighting it. Even through all its confusion, Corvus only ever wanted to help us. Rachel Kane never had a DNI. She's gone. But you can still make it here. You can live forever.
You've just got to hang in there a little longer. Reach the central server, you can run an executive override and purge your DNI. We can end this thing once and for all.